Welcome to Leadership with Purpose, Creating a Culture for Success, an interactive workshop designed to empower leaders and supervisors working with children, youth, and families. In this transformative experience, we delve deep into understanding and connecting with your why. Because knowing your purpose is the key to unlocking your true potential both in the workplace and in life. Through various activities and group work, you'll identify your unique leadership style, gaining valuable insights into your strengths and areas for growth. Effective leadership is about working productively with others. This workshop equips you with the skills to collaborate seamlessly, especially with those who have different leadership styles. Together, we'll explore strategies to achieve common goals. Because success is not just an individual pursuit, it's a collaborative effort. By the end of the workshop, you'll not only clarify your vision for your program but also set specific goals to achieve it. It's about setting your program up for success. Leadership with Purpose covers OCFS topics 1, 2, and 5, ensuring that you gain essential knowledge to enhance your leadership skills. Don't miss the opportunity to transform your leadership journey. Register today and embark on the path to creating a culture for success in your after-school program.